Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to create server tag in Discord. Simply go and open your Discord and log in into your account and go and click on your server name. Simply like this, go to server settings, and here on the left side, you'll find an option called guild or something like that. But here in my case, I do not actually have it because it is a limited feature and it's not for all servers. And in addition, I do not have a boost for this server. So another thing that you can do is to simply mimic this tag by typing something like this, for example. Then type here your server name. And this is a second method. Now, in case you have this option here enabled, guild settings, and here in this tab, you will be able to edit all things related to your guild and related to your server tag. So you can select games, you can select play styles, you can even create a badge and tag for your guild. And that's all for today's tutorial. Please support us with like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.